4 modification times. How many times do these come and hit here and not blast the aircon through? Or hit here, get them against these grids, and then all this is just full of water. So, flute board, we've got some other stuff, and we're gonna make a scoop. Let's throw this up in there and see what happens. The board's out, marked it, got this plastic strip. We'll cut it, put this strip on, happy days. What I've done is we've got some double-sided tape and put it on this tile trim. And then I've stuck it up there, the tile trim. And then this curve's a lot bigger curve, and I'm going to stick that up there. And then I'll sandwich in between that one, which is a bit smaller, the flute board, and that should stay up there. Wash your hands, because you touch some white melamine and it will stain or look black. So wash that, throw that up. Well, that's what she looks like. That's the hack I've made. Oh, that looks pretty neat. Just fit a flute board. You know, finishes off real flash and nice there. And then on this side, and that's sort of wedged in, gives it a bit of a loop. Now when you're in here, she comes through there nicely. So, see how it works. I reckon that's perfect. Well, we did have breadboards. We did have the breadboards up there, and it worked. So out with breadboards, in with a flute board. It's white, sleek. I don't know. What do you reckon? What have all you guys done to sort this out? Because what happens is it comes across and just hits that board, doesn't enter the bedrooms. Leave a comment, tell me what you reckon, or photo of what you have done to solve the aircon problem. Thanks for watching.